Hello extras, welcome back. I'm so excited for today's unboxing video. For what is in this box is cuteness overload. So prepare to hear cute, adorable, obsessed, all those goodies over and over to describe what's in this box. Before we get into that, I want to take a quick second to appreciate this tumbler that a subscriber, Shiloh, I know you're watching, hello, had made for me. You guys, look at that. It's got the Coach emblem. It's got one of their prints that they've used previously. And it also has my name printed on the back, Ralph by Design. I am obsessed with this. I will use this every time that I film. It's going to be a fixture on my desk here. If you are new here, hello, I'm Ralph by Design. I do unboxings such as this one. I also have an Instagram where I do food, travel, and bags as well. If that's something that you do enjoy, consider following me on Instagram and also like and subscribing on this channel. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, here we are. Let's get this open. Full disclosure before we get into here, there are two bags in here, but this video is only gonna cover one because it is so adorable. I feel like it needs a whole video on its own, and the other adorable little bag that's in here will be in a separate video, so make sure you come back for that one and see what else I got in here. I'm so excited for what's in here. I've seen so many pictures and it's cuteness overload. Let's get into it. Oh, adorable, adorable, adorable. Okay, so like I said, there's two bags in here, but we're only gonna be going over one. So let's get this one out here. Come back later to see what else is in this box. Here she is, all factory wrapped. I did request this because there's a lot of bits and pieces that are on this bag that I did not want to get ruined. So I did request that they leave everything on it, and they delivered. I'm so excited. Let's open her up. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten something fully factory wrapped like this. I think the last one was my Ruby 25. And you guys can already see through this packaging. You already know what's in there. And I'm so excited for this limited edition bag. My essay has one of these, and I seen a picture and I was like, I absolutely need one. This is very, very exciting. Cuteness overload, you guys. Are we ready? Look at that face. Oh, how freaking adorable. And it gets better as we take off more of this wrapping. Let's get this out of the way here. Everything, like to the T, is wrapped. Like, what was that there for, protecting? But hey, I'm not gonna complain about that. That just ensures that this beauty is going to get here in one piece. Let's get this strap off here. So excited for this. There's so much wrapping on here, and I'm so grateful because there's a lot going on in this bag that I want protected. Look at, look at those bushy eyebrows. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Oh, this is adorable, and it gets better. It has arms. Look at how cute that is. And it just keeps getting more and more adorable. It has legs. How cute is that? I'm obsessed with this already. I absolutely love the color. Let's finish unwrapping everything and get the full experience. Right. Let's give the eyebrows a little zhuzh there. She got flattened out from packaging. Okay, so this is Sweetie. She has a name. Glove Tanned Leather Rogue 17 in the color Bold Red Multi from the Coachies collection. Can we talk about that name though for a quick second? I don't know. Every time I see this written, every time someone mentions it, I'm like, whoa, what, no. And I'm like, wait, Coachies. I'm like, that's a little fine line there, but it is adorable. The Coachies Rogue 17. They just launched this collection. It is a collection of all these adorable, cute faces on these bags. They have 17s, they have 25s, and they have like a crossbody, Kira crossbody, I believe it's what it's called. But this one caught my eye because of those bushy eyebrows and because Sweetie has feet. Like, look at how cute that is. And she has these little arms, which I believe are Buttercup. Let's take this all in. Look at all those details. So what you guys see here, like on the eyes, those are pieces from other bags. So this bag in general is pieces of other bags that they used to create this bag. So like here, you guys are familiar with Coach's turn lock. They use those for the eyes. These hands are pieces of leather that they use to connect onto like the crossbody straps. And these pieces here is what they use to either connect crossbody straps, the D-rings on there, or the handles. Like they just reused and repurposed all these pieces. And I think it is so adorable. And I love the bold red with that saddle trim. And then if you turn it around, you have the recycled signature jacquard on the side, which I'm guilty of actually really liking now. You guys know that I'm not the biggest signature fan, but I feel like that is changing, especially with this recycled signature jacquard. To me, it's just, it feels so high quality. And I'm absolutely loving it. And it's just like the perfect amount of it on the sides. Then you turn her over on the back. And then it does say Sweetie limited edition right there. I am obsessed. The details that they put into these bags is just like the bigger counterparts. And these are limited edition, you guys. Last I heard, they were making about 250 of each. Don't quote me on that. It might have changed. So if this is something that you guys are wanting, make sure and go out and grab that. She retails for $650. It is a little bit up there in price for a 17, but you guys have to think of the amount of work, that extra amount of work that goes into something like this, into creating these eyebrows and repurposing these pieces for the eyes, the little blush, the feet, like the amount of work that went into this bag, to me, justifies that price tag. And on top of it, you guys know how much I love a limited edition. And if it's limited edition, chances are I'm going to want it. We have these little adorable, not these little, these are pretty big, shearling eyebrows. Like, look how cute that is. It is cuteness overload. This little adorable hang tag. I love it, I love it, I love it. So since this is the smooth glove tan leather on the outside, when they do that, they normally give you smooth glove tan leather on the inside. It's looking like a oxblood color there. Very, very pretty. Look how cute when you set it down, like the little feet go up and just sit so adorably there. This is gonna look so cute on my shelf. This is gonna be adorable when I wear it. The reason why I went with Sweetie, other than this beautiful color, is these eyebrows. They are giving me the Fendi Monsters. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. I'll insert one here, but it's just that fur on there. It just reminds me of the Fendi Monsters, and that's why I absolutely had to go with this one. And maybe another coming up here. So there are a few characters in this collection. There is a green one with glasses. His name is Groovy. Then we have a flax colored one. Yes, Coach is finally bringing back flax, which is my favorite 1941 color, named Winky. Adorable, absolutely obsessed with that color. There is a denim color 25 size, which I believe his name is Sparky. Then lastly, they have a canyon colored one, and that one is named Dreamy. It's so cute. It has a little tassel that's going over kind of like bangs, and it looks like a little sleepy, but it's also looking like it's giving you some side eye. I'm kind of getting that vibe also from this one, but the eyebrows, the cheeks, the blush, the eyes, the feet, the hands. So since this is the 17, this does not come with the shoulder straps. This comes with a crossbody strap. So it's the same setup as your previous 17s. You have your crossbody strap. This one is in the saddle color from the trim, and it matches that perfectly. So this has 4 connection points, just like your regular Rogues do, but instead of the shoulder straps, this is gonna be for your crossbody strap. All right, there is Sweetie with the crossbody strap, and look at that, like you can just, you can change the legs. They actually stay wherever you put them. That is so adorable. Oh, I can't get over how cute this is. And then they use the D-rings that they normally use to connect straps on the bag. And let's get to the inside. So it's the same setup as you have as your other Rogues. You have a credit card slot here in the front. Nothing in the back there. There's my dust bag on the inside there. Let's get it unstuffed to show you guys. All right, and we have the signature jacquard on the inside as well, just like any other Rogue. This bag is so adorable. It's cuteness overload. Is it for everybody? No, we all have our individual styles. Is this for me? Absolutely. Look, with this shirt already, I thought it would be very appropriate for this bag. So I'm like, why not slap it on? Look at this, just the cuteness level on this bag was turned up to the max, times 1,000. Like, these eyebrows for me really send it over the top. You got the hands, you got the feet. It's giving you a little side eye. It is so cute. I love that they put that it was limited edition on the outside. Because, you know, who doesn't like showing off, hey, I have a limited edition bag? And what a great way to introduce your customers to the signature jacquard. It's just the right amount, and I will say I am converting over. I'm starting to really like this specific, the recycled signature jacquard like this. There's a new Rogue brief that they just came out with, which is this saddle color, or it might be rust. And then it has the signature jacquard. To me, it looks so classic, so elegant. Oh, it looks so good, and what a great way to introduce it to your current customers that are not either familiar with or just aren't ready to embrace the jacquard. But I am converting over. I'm absolutely loving the jacquard on this. Like, you might see more signature jacquard pieces in my collection coming up. Coach previously has done a collection like this, and I do have one bag from it, but I believe they called it the Creatures. Let me go grab it. I'll be right back. Previously, Coach did have this Coach Creatures. These were limited edition as well. There was only 100 made of each. I believe this was like a department store exclusive to Harrods, I believe. I'm not sure if they actually brought it here to the States, but this is giving me the same kind of vibe mixed with the emoji collection to get this. So if you see the emoji in this collection, I feel like if they had a baby, it would be this one here. And that's what I feel. The emoji collection and the Creatures collection had a baby, and this is it. It is the most adorable baby. The details that Coach put into this, thank you so much. Stuart Vevers, you are amazing. Your creative director just really put your foot in it with this one. I am so excited about this bag. It is adorable. I'm going to use her very well. And this is a conversation piece, definitely. What a great way to break the ice. If you go somewhere by yourself, bring this bag. People will come up to you. People will ask you questions. People will talk to you. This is so cute. And the name, Sweetie. Oh, Sweetie, you are so cute. And I may or may not have another bag from this collection coming up. So if that's something that you do enjoy, keep an eye on my channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way, every time that I upload a video, you'll get a notification. Because normally, if you don't hit that bell, it doesn't pop up for you every time that I post. This bag is cuteness overload. I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna go play dress up with it. This is gonna be adorable with so many outfits. Make sure you guys come back later on to see what else was in that box. Until then, stay extra. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.